Hello, little marine enthusiasts. Welcome back to our oceanic odyssey, where we explore the wonders of aquatic life. Today, we're delving into the depths to discover the magnificent Napoleon Wrasse. Are you ready for an underwater adventure? Let's dive straight in. Fun facts. Emperor of the Reef. Meet the Napoleon Wrasse, also known as the Emperor of the Reef. These majestic fish are like kings of the underwater world, commanding attention with their large size and striking colors. They are the rulers of their coral kingdom. Colorful characters. Napoleon Wrasse are adorned with vibrant colors, ranging from electric blue to sunny yellow. With their bold stripes and spots, they're like living artworks, adding splashes of color to the ocean's canvas. Big fish in a big pond. Napoleon Wrasse are one of the largest reef fish, growing up to 6 feet long and weighing over 200 pounds. That's as big as some sharks or even larger than a grown-up human. Social butterflies. Despite their size, Napoleon Wrasse are gentle giants known for their friendly nature. They often swim in groups, forming close-knit communities on the reef. Just like how you enjoy spending time with your friends, Napoleon Wrasse thrive in the company of their fellow fish. Cleaner crew. These helpful fish play an important role in the reef ecosystem. They act as underwater cleaners, feeding on parasites and dead skin from other fish, keeping them healthy and free from pests. It's like having your own personal spa day on the reef. Life of leisure. Napoleon Wrasse are leisurely creatures, often seen gliding effortlessly through the water or resting on the sandy bottom. With their relaxed demeanor, they embody the essence of tranquility in the bustling underwater world. Weren't those Napoleon Wrasse just the most magnificent creatures you've ever seen? With their regal presence, vibrant colors, and important role in the reef ecosystem, they truly are treasures of the ocean. We hope you enjoyed diving into the fascinating world of Napoleon Wrasse with us. Stay tuned for more incredible animal adventures. Until next time, keep swimming, ocean explorers. Farewell. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates on our expedition to the underwater world. Until we meet again, take care and bye.